everyone, in front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18 5G, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. If you want to perform kind of factory reset, at first open the settings, then go to System, mark Reset Options, and select Factory Reset. So, as you can see, this operation will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including Google accounts, system and app data, downloaded apps, musics, photos, and so on. And if you truly want to do it, just click on Erase All Data. Then draw your unlock pattern to confirm, select Erase All Data, and wait till it's done. After that, you will be able to customize your device as a new one from scratch. And that's it. Now you can go through the setup process and set up your device however you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.